Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung intention oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Taurus, hi, welcome to Miss the Queen PH at titingnan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo in the next 7 days. From the time na mapanood nyo yung reading na to dahil ito ay isang timeless reading. Ayan, so general reading, maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates, watch your sun, moon, rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let's see. Taurus, what is up? What's up, Taurus? Next 7 days. Oh, new beginnings. New opportunities na nag-open up sa'yo. Wow. Number 4, double 4. Yung iba, I feel like this is a new home, bagong bahay, bagong tirahan. It's like a place you call home. So, pwedeng bagong career, bagong trabaho. Ayan. Let's see what else. For Taurus, you have dream sweet, sleep deep. Oh. So, it's like peace of mind for some of you. Maaring kung kayo ay nahihirapang matulog, no, ng mga nakaraan, in the next 7 days, you will find a way para magawan mo ng paraan yung sleeping problems mo. Or yung kung iba sa inyo may insomnia or difficulty in sleeping. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong solusyon na makikita or mahahanap or maaring yung iba sa inyo, magpapa-check up, tapos meron sa inyong irereseta para makatulog kayo ng maayos. And this is also about your sense of peace. So I think you will also do some spiritual work for yourself, no, para sa sarili mo na maaring magiging dahilan para makatulong sa'yo na makatulog ka ng mahimbing. Mga spells Uy, abundance. Wow. So you are being gifted with abundance. So in the next 7 days, you will be more productive. Marami kang magagawa, marami kang ma-accomplish, and yung mga activities mo na yon, it will bring abundance in your life. Let's see what else pa. Taurus, in the next 7 days, for Taurus. Temperance. So this is patience. This is also timing, no? So maaring iba sa inyo, itong new beginnings na to in the next 7 days is the right time for you to start something new. Kung meron kang mga iniisip na mga gusto mong simulan, creative ideas, creative pursuits, or yung mga decision making mo. So this is also a confirmation for you to do it. Yes, have that courage to start whatever that is. Kasi meron kang sapat na lakas, kakayanan para mag-isagawa to. You also have the Fool. Wow, new beginnings. Puro mga major arcanas for you ito, Taurus. So, you are also going to take a risk, no? Parang taking a chance on something. Especially that you are more confident, no? Sa sarili mo na kaya mo na. You have the Four of Cups. I think kailangan mo lang iwasan dito is yung pagko-compare mo sa iba. Okay? Kasi lahat tayo unique. Meron tayong kanya-kanya nating path. Wag mong hayaan na ma-distract ka sa success ng iba or sa path na tinitake ng iba kasi you have your own path. And with the Ace of Pentacles here, this is a new opportunity for you sa career, sa business. Maaring meron ding darating sa'yo na pera, no? Na medyo malaki-laki to. Na pwede siyang maging seed or parang punla, no? Para sa new opportunity for you, like a business or a project na gagawin mo. Okay, let's see what else. Ano pa tong new beginnings na to? Tell us something about the new beginnings of Taurus. Oh, 10th house. Sa career mo talaga to. Oo. So, this can be career, business, or ano pa yung gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay, no? See, merong Pluto rito. Pluto is about transformation. Oo, endings and new beginnings. And Pluto is also about the planet of power. Okay, death and rebirth. So, this is a brand new you. So, Pluto in Cancer. So, I think you are going to nurture yourself, protect yourself, take care of yourself. So, this time, sarili mo naman yung iisipin mo. Oo. Kasi maaring in the past, iba yung taong iniisip mo or may pinagsisilbihan ka. But for now, I think this is you giving birth to a new version of yourself. Like a brand new you. Let's see what else, Taurus. Truth, justice, due process. O, yung iba sa inyo maaring meron kayong aasikasuhin related sa legal matters, sa batas, sa government, no, in the next 7 days. Pwede mga papers, permits. You also have chess strategy. Yes, you are planning things ahead. Kumbaga, advance ka mag-isip. You know how to strategize your game. You also have master plan. So, kumbaga, alam mo kung saan mo dadalhin tong new beginnings na to. Okay. Let's see what else pa. For Taurus, next 7 days. Meditate and contemplate. New Moon in Pisces. Yes, this is about your spirituality, no? Malaking tulong rin sa pagkakaroon nyo ng masarap na tulog, mahimbing na tulog, maayos na tulog is doing meditation. So, maaring iba sa inyo, i-involve nyo ang sarili nyo to do meditational exercises, no? Di ba sa YouTube maraming ganyan eh. Yung mga meditation videos na pwede mong pakinggan, nakaka-relax, di ba? At eventually makakatulog ka. See, Taurus, you're going to open up to change. There's a new beginning, a new version of you, a new path. You're going to be open to new beginnings, changes. And ngayon, mas malakas yung loob mo to take that risk because you know that you have the power. You have the strength that you need. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.